Last night, somebody asked me, what am I doing? Like, bro, it's really hard for a black founder to get VC funding. Let's talk about that for a second. Well, first, let's make the numbers transparent. I'm gonna post the numbers here so everybody knows just how bad the odds are for black founders to secure venture capital funding. The numbers are really bad, right? But is it weird that I don't care?
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
I'm not saying I don't care if other black founders get VC funding. I think those numbers should increase. But I'm saying, like, I'm not gonna let numbers like that deter me or stop me. Ultimately, I don't need odds on my side to have a battery in my back. The decision is the most important thing to me. If I decided, consider it done. Also, somebody wanted to know what this was. It's actually like a box light. I use it for like my stationary videos. So you guys know the drill. I'm about to head to a coffee shop. Which coffee shop will I choose? It's like Russian roulette, I don't know. But coffee shops started back when I was in college. Like, I used to go to Starbucks like every single day almost to study because I just didn't like studying in my room for some reason. And yeah, I mean, that's just how it started. I heard this quote once: people are either ruled by fear or love. I choose love. Is there any fear that ever comes with that decision? Yeah. So today is mainly about user posts, which means I have to get access to the user's camera. I've never actually like accessed a user's camera or like any hardware within the iPhone. So this is gonna be an interesting challenge. But one thing I tell people all the time is that like in programming, nobody knows what to do when it comes to everything. But pretty much you just have to be confident in your ability to learn things. So yeah, I mean, it's gonna be some learning today. I must admit though, today I really just feel like hacking out some code. Like that's what I wanna do, but that's just not always how it is. I'm definitely gonna get some code written because I gotta at least try some things, right? So here I go. I'm going to this coffee shop, Summer Moon. I've never been to this location, but this is like coffee-wise, probably the best coffee shop in Austin. So I'm just gonna get right to it. I mean, I think the most interesting part for me is gonna be building out this camera. So that's the first order of business for me. I'm just gonna see what I can find, figure out how to access the camera first, and then I'm gonna try to build it out. Obviously, it's gotta have a capture button, maybe a record button. So I'm about to have breakfast here, but I did find a camera on GitHub that I think I can use. So instead of having to like rebuild the entire thing from scratch, I might just use this camera. We'll see.
later.
So my battery is about to die, so I'm gonna have to leave in a sec. I do want to show you guys some of the stuff that Lewis worked on. Yeah, so he's got the sign-in screen here. So check this out. So my battery is about to die, but truth is I'm just a little tired. So I think I'm just gonna head home and then I'll just like program some on my dual monitor. I don't know, just don't really feel like being in a coffee shop right now.